In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Gmail on Claude. So if you wish Anthropic Claude to help you manage your emails, then the best thing you can do is to go ahead and connect your Gmail straight to Claude or any other cloud for easy management. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Claude account. And as you can see, I'm logged into mine here. Then go ahead and expand this sidebar. And here, choose Customize. From Customize, you have an option here to connect your apps. Go ahead and choose this first option that will let Claude read and write to the tools you already use. So I'll tap on Connect, and then I'll choose my platform here. So I'd like to choose Gmail here. So go through and find the app you wish. Once you have found your Gmail, you're told here by doing so, you can draft replies, summarize threads, and even search for your inbox straight from Claude. So I'll go ahead and tap on plus here, and I'll be taken to this window where I can continue, and I'll be taken to my mailbox. And here I'll choose the email I'll wish to connect, and then tap on continue. Then you'll have to grant Claude access to your Gmail by checking these two boxes. So I'll check the two, and then finally continue. Now at this point, now my Gmail has been connected. So if I go back to homepage here, you can see now we have here an option to Gmail. I can ask Claude directly from here to respond to anything or do anything or search for any email to this account straight from here. So if I go again to customize and go to connect, you can see here now Gmail is connected. That's why we have a check mark next to it. So that's how you can connect your Gmail account to Claude. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.